Hey guys, Tom here, and this is Not So Average Builder. I never received a thing from Ragtag Daydreamers to do a challenge, but I hear that there's a challenge, and since I didn't get anything cool, I thought I would just, I don't know, do kind of a boring one. Let me grab this off the table though. What? Whoa! What? Where'd this come from? Totally harmless. Should I open it? Why not? Let's open this thing up. What's this say? Hello, the not-so-average builder. I, the Ragtag Daydreamer, challenge you to a duel. I challenge you to build the Master Grade Zaku Warrior to the best of your abilities in a head-to-head against I, the Ragtag Daydreamer. Man, he likes his name a lot, doesn't he? Sincerely, the Ragtag Daydreamer. Alright. P.S. This note was left by ninja messengers. Well, that's odd. Maybe that explains how it just fell. P.S.S. They were not exactly given instructions to return. What? P.S.S.S. Don't go into dark rooms. They might still be there. Good luck. What? Well, you heard it, folks. I'm in a challenge with Ragtag Daydreamers. Justin is an awesome guy who runs the channel Ragtag Daydreamer, and I've had the pleasure of meeting him in person, which is one of the rare exceptions that I've been able to do with other fellow YouTubers. But he's an awesome, swell dude. He makes some kick-butt content, and you should go check him out. There'll be a link to his channel in the description below. It'll be right down there. So what we're going to do, we're not exactly sure how we're going to auction off the kit, but we are going to auction off both kits at the end. We have until the end of January, and we're going to auction off those kits. We'll figure out a way to do so, but the proceeds are going to go to a charity. We're not sure which charity, but it is going to be a charity nonetheless. Because as Justin said in his video, we want to keep the giving season, I guess, a little bit longer than just outside the giving season. We wanted to try and do this around Christmas, but both of us were just way too busy with life and family and all of those things to be able to do that. So we're going to do it now. So we're going to extend the giving season out, but we're going to start customizing to the best of our abilities, finish the kit, present them either in their own respective video, or we may meet up and showcase them there. Not really sure. Yet another thing we got to talk about. But look forward to that. I'm excited to do this. I've never done a collaboration before, and I think it was awesome that Justin wanted to do one with me, or that was willing to do one with me. So I'm excited. Stay tuned, guys. Have a wonderful Friday. Bye.